Hello, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. Today, we write a Sijo. 3 lines, balanced breath, a quiet turn that holds. So grab that journal and a pencil or a pen, and let's begin. Open your journal to a new page. A Sijo is written as 3 long lines, each shaped by 2 natural phrases, with a pause between them. The poem moves in 3 clear motions: an opening, a deepening, a turn. This is a form of clarity rather than excess. It values balance, restraint, and careful attention to what is present. In English, a helpful guide to aim for is about 14 to 16 syllables per line. This is a guide, not a rule. Sound, balance, and clarity matter more than counting. Read aloud as you write. Let your breath shape the line. If you find yourself unsure where to begin, you might think of Guustavv, how he trusted simplicity, balance, and clear attention to carry the poem. Before you write, choose one clear ground. This might be a season, a place, a moment, a feeling, or a simple truth. Hold that ground quietly in mind. Now write your first line. This line opens the poem. Write it as 2 phrases with a natural pause between them. Let it feel steady, present, balanced. Read it aloud until it settles. Write the second line. This line deepens what you opened. Add detail, reflection, or gentle pressure. Let the thought expand without rushing. Again, write in 2 phrases. Read it aloud. Listen for flow. And now write the third line. This is where the turn arrives. The turn may be a shift in perspective, a contrast, a realization, or a quiet settling. It does not need to be dramatic. It needs to be clear. Let the poem land where it wants to rest. Read all 3 lines aloud together. Listen for balance, for restraint, for a clear turn in the final line. Revise by listening rather than explaining. When the poem feels whole, copy it clearly as 3 lines and give it a title. Ask yourself, does each line hold 2 balanced phrases? Does the poem move from opening to deepening to turn? Does it sound clear and steady when spoken aloud? If yes, you did it. You wrote a Sijo. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.